Are you looking at your computer screen or holding a receipt, wondering what on earth a Paysafe 16-digit code is, and more importantly, if your hard-earned money is safe? It is completely normal to feel a bit anxious or overwhelmed by all these new digital payment methods popping up left and right. Every single day, there is a new app, a new code, or a new way to move money, and frankly, it can terrify you when you are trying to protect your retirement nest egg. You've spent a lifetime working for your financial security, and the last thing you want to do is make a mistake with a technology you didn't grow up with. So let's cut through the confusion right now. What is a Paysafe 16-digit code? At its absolute core, this code is the digital equivalent of a cash voucher. It is issued by a company called Paysafecard, which is part of the larger Paysafe group. Think of it exactly like buying a gift card at the grocery store checkout lane. You walk into a local retailer, like a gas station, a pharmacy, or a convenience store, and you hand the cashier physical cash, say $20 or $50. In return, they print out a receipt for you. On that receipt is a unique, 16-digit numeric code. Now, why does this exist, and why are people using it? It is designed for online shopping without using a traditional bank account or a credit card. When you go to an online store or a digital service that accepts it, you select Paysafecard at the checkout, type in that 16-digit code, and the money you paid at the local store covers the purchase. It doesn't ask for your name, your credit card number, or your bank routing info. For many people, the big question is this a safe way to do things? On paper, yes, because it limits your exposure. If a website gets hacked, the hackers don't get your MasterCard or Visa, they only see a voucher code that has already been spent. It acts like a shield between your real bank accounts and the wild west of the internet. But we need to talk about the real danger here, because this is where my heart sinks for people who are retired or about to retire. Con artists and scammers absolutely love these 16-digit codes. Because it works just like cash. Once you give those 16 numbers to someone, that money is gone instantly, and it is virtually impossible to track down or get back. I want you to listen to me very carefully on this. Scammers will call you on the phone, or send you an urgent email, pretending to be from the IRS, the Social Security Administration, your utility company, or even a tech support company claiming your computer has a virus. They will scare you. They will tell you that your accounts are frozen, or that you owe immediate back taxes, or that your electricity is going to be shut off in the next hour. And then, they will give you a specific directive: go to the nearest store, buy a Paysafe voucher, and read them the 16-digit code over the phone to settle the debt. Please hear me, no legitimate government agency, utility company, or reputable business will ever ask you to pay a bill with a 16-digit Paysafe code. If anyone demands payment this way, it is a scam 100% of the time. They are counting on your fear to cloud your judgment. They want you to panic so you don't think clearly. Your actionable takeaway today is about absolute protection. If you ever decide to use a Paysafe 16-digit code for a legitimate online purchase, treat that piece of paper like a stack of $100 bills. Never take a photo of it, never text those numbers to anyone, and never read them aloud to a stranger on the phone. If a caller pressures you or threatens you with legal action unless you buy one of these codes, hang up the phone immediately. Do not engage. Your financial security depends on your willingness to pause, breathe, and refuse to let fear dictate how you handle your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.